Good afternoon. Today we're in Yeovil and we are on our way to the sports centre because we're going to go play badminton. So I actually can't wait because I do love a game of badminton. But yeah, I'll be sure to record us playing. Quite looking forward to it, to be honest. Is a team, 2 aside, 2 against 2 doubles. We're here. Yeah, I've just did a little vlog. Wayne's here. Got the racket ready. Well, I know,
James Cam's going on a walk. Let's see what we find out. Let's have a look who's in dressing room number 6.
Hello. Hello, my friend.
Is all you do is clean your teeth?
I'm cleaning my teeth. We've come back to the Dodgy Emporium.
Who's next in for Dodgy Emporium?
Rudy Cardenas.
Show us what you got.
It's gone for large. Oh yeah. I'm going to take one back to Los Angeles to spread the word.
Of course. The word of Banks.
The word of Banks. Banksy on base. UK Tour 23. Alright, Jess, you ready for the show?
ready for the show.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Oh, hang on. I just gotta check on Robert. Robert? Robert, you in there? You've got 5 minutes. There's no reply. Robert! What are we gonna do? What? I'm gonna go on stage in 5 minutes. Robert! Robert, can you hear me? Someone. What? Robert's not answering and he's got to be on stage in 5 minutes. Robert! Shit! And scene.
It's showtime. Yeovil, night 1. Are you ready? Hey!
Here we are.
Yeovil filling up. Hey guys, we have just finished the gig in Yeovil. Really great gig. Really enjoyed it. The crowd were up and everything. It was just a great time. So now we're going to walk back to the hotel, because we've got a hotel tonight, which is great. And yeah, we might stop off at the pub. And I fancy a Domino's, you know. So, here they are. Hey Hen, how was the gig for you tonight?
Oh, Yeovil! Yeovil came through. We rocked. They danced. I just punched you, sorry. It was really good. Yeah, I loved it. It's always really good here, isn't it?
I enjoyed it.
And do you know what the best part is?
Go on.
Little harmony.
Love that.
We're coming back tomorrow to do it all again.
Yes. We were just having a drink, and all of a sudden the bloody fire alarm's going off, isn't it? Bloody hell.
Set your drinks. Don't remove any. Oh no.
Yeah, too late.
Oh, look, glasses outside, lads.
Well, I'm not leaving it.
Time to put it down.
I'm not leaving my bag. I'm not leaving my
I
coat.
panicked and I just had it in my hand.
Clearly on fire.
What are we going to do?
What are we gonna do? Guys, we're back in. False alarm. False alarm.
We all part.
I've had a little bit too much. All of the colors start to rush by. Where are my keys? I lost my phone. Domino's. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for some. Way back. Oh. Keep your head up. Hold your head up.
Moving on.
Keep your head up.
Moving on.
Hold your head up.
Moving on. Wow, this looks so good. Actually does. Wow, look at that.
Jesse, you did it.
Well,
You created it. What are we doing right now?
FIFA
I'm
tournament.
FIFA tournament. I'm so excited. Okay, so it's been 5 days. We have a day off tomorrow. We are doing a FIFA tournament in the bus. It's gonna be good. Let's go. Let's go.
Pele.
Oh! Oh!
Look at me.
Wayne!
Maxie, come on, come on.
Maxie!
Come on,
Oh,
you
run.
3 minutes. Go and do it. Do it
Triangle.
now.
That was your chance!
Yes.
Oh!
Little bit.
I really want you to.
I don't think you're the only one.
Come on. Everyone loves an underdog.
Versus Argentina.
Which way am I going?
Yeah,
That way.
There you go.
Certainly buzzing from the
This is so mean. What the hell?
No.
That's tight.
Zilla in central defence.
Don't know what I'm
Leading the line
doing.
is Sergio Aguero.
Yes, come on.
Shall we explain to everyone what's going on?
What can they do from here?
So what is actually happening now?
Celso.
Well, Jess is
What do I do? What do I press?
playing Jessie.
Hello?
Circle.
She doesn't appear to know what she's doing, but Jessie
Nobody's
hasn't.
told me. Literally, James was like, "Oh yeah, I'll tell you." You've not told me.
But
anything.
Jessie hasn't scored yet, so she must be doing something right. Yes, Howard.
Well done.
Yes.
Good idea, particular move, but not.
Oh, skills.
Give them the lead.
The final anyway.
Oh, there you go.
Well done, Billy.
A shock result.
Unexpected.
Rooney is in.
Right now, it's between James and Jessie. Who's going to be playing Pele?
Well done.
No way for the
So, what about?
It's corrupt.
3-0
3-0.
to
At
Jesse.
halftime.
Looks like you're playing Jesse.
Another goal kick given.
Hi vlog. It's the final. Pele versus Jesse. Let's go.
What can they do here?
Yes!
Pele is our champion.
Well, he certainly collects a few during the game.